Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Amara Anibo and today we are going apartment hunting in Seattle. I'm going to be looking at luxury apartments.
Alright, we going. What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
Around the downtown area, so Cap Hill, First Hill, downtown, just throughout this area in Seattle, and I want to take you with me on this journey for me finding my new apartment here. So let's get into it. Apartment number 1, this is the den area. As you can see, this is what it looks like. There's a closet right here. And I'm gonna walk into the kitchen now. So this is the kitchen. It has quartz countertops along with those lights for the island on top. This is what the kitchen is looking like. It's pretty nice. I really like it so far. There's also air conditioning, which is nice because a lot of Seattle units do not have air conditioning. This is the window for the living room. I'll show you the view. That's the other apartment across the street that I had to go look at after. This is what the living room is looking like. It's pretty spacious. I like the layout of it so far. I'm getting a lot of ideas of what to do. So I'm gonna now walk into the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Has a little nook right there. This is where my bed and nightstands would go. This is the window that's in the bedroom. It's a bit smaller, but it's all right because I think the window in the living room makes up for it. It has a walk-in closet, which is exactly what I wanted. So this is the walk-in closet. As you can see, and that walk-in closet goes straight into the bathroom. Woo! So same quartz countertops. I really like it. It's very simplistic, minimalistic. This is what the bathtub and shower is looking like. Toilet, towel rack. Overall, I really like this first apartment. So I just walked out the restroom and I'm back again.
So you come up, relax, watch TV, you can cook in here. All these windows here, they open, so especially during the summer months, then you can enjoy the heat.
Nice. That's really cool. Oh.
Quite a bit of space.
Yeah, it's nice. It's
You also
nice.
have a pool table.
Cool, on TV. Cool. So this is the view from the rooftop. It's really pretty. You can see the mountains in the distance and the city. Oh, sorry. This is apartment number 2. This is what it's looking like. It has the kitchen island here with the quartz countertops. These are the cabinets. They're a bit lighter than apartment 1. They're actually owned by the same management company, so pretty similar appliances. As you can see, it still has the same feature that when you open the cabinets, it like automatically closes it for you, which I think is really dope. Small things, it's the small things. This is the closet, one of the closets. I think the other one was a bit bigger in the first apartment. And this is the living room space, which is pretty spacious. And this is what the view is for apartment number 2. It's actually pretty nice. I mean, video tour, I wasn't a big fan of it, but it's actually pretty nice. The windows are big too. I think the windows are a bit bigger in the first apartment that I went to. So this is what it's looking like. This unit does not have an AC. I'm gonna go into the bedroom now. This is the bedroom. The window's a bit bigger. In this bedroom, I think I can pull it up. Gosh. This is what it looks like from the bedroom. It also has a ceiling fan, which is great. And This is what it's looking like. It's a bit bigger than apartment number 1. And this is the walk-in closet. You know, to get a walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet. This is what it's looking like. This is Would it be my video?
Yeah, sure. I like being on camera, so.
Would it be on camera? I'm just doing, this is the last place. So this is the bathroom. It has an in-unit washer and dryer. This is what the bathtub and the shower is looking like. That's the towel rack. And that is the mirror and me. So is this like a community kitchen?
Yeah,
Also?
so if you were to, like we've had weddings up
Stylish.
here, so caterers can use it.
Nice.
Say you're doing like say you're doing like a dinner party, you can always
Cool.
cook up here, bring your food up here. You grill outside.
Yeah.
Right now we're not reserving it for large gatherings, but you can reserve it for up to 5 people at a time.
Nice.
So you know, small gathering with friends or family you could do. And then as soon as things are able to open up more, you're able to reserve it for parties.
Cool. Sounds good.
You can have the TV come through the speakers, or you can change the music to whatever you like.
Nice. This is downtown over here, and over there, I'm not sure if you can see it on this camera. Let me zoom in. Over there is the stadium. So that's a T-Mobile stadium, and CenturyLink, I'm not sure, maybe I'm wrong, but those are the 2 stadiums. I believe one's baseball, one's football, so super cool. Standing at the entrance, this is the closet or pantry. It looks more like a pantry when you walk in. Seems like there's another closet right here when you walk in. And I love the hallway entrance, and it goes in to the restroom, which is lighter cabinet than the 3rd unit I saw. Similar layout of the restroom, as you can see. Towel rack, toilet, all that good stuff, which is cool. Now I'm gonna walk into the bedroom, which I really like the layout of it. So this is what it's looking like so far. It's carpet again. It's pretty big. Like, I don't think this camera does it justice of how big this actually is. And it has a walk-in closet. Let me see. Light is for that. It has a big walk-in closet as well. This is the apartment with the most square footage that I'll be viewing today. So that is what the closet looks like. Now, this is the kitchen area, the lighter cabinets. You see that? I really like this kitchen a lot. It's super nice. I thought I really wanted an island, but I don't know. This one is pretty nice. So this is another pantry closet. There's just so many closets here, a lot of storage space. This is the living room area. Y'all, it is so big. I just don't feel like this camera is doing it justice of how much square feet is really in this place. And it has 2 big windows, which is great. So this is it. It's how it's looking like. I think you can get a better idea from this side. It's pretty big. It's a really big space, and I love how many windows it has. Like, it has the 2 big windows there, and in the room, it also has 2 big windows. I mean, this is like a medium-sized window, but this is a much bigger window, which is great. Also, ceiling fan. Love to see it. We love to see it. We love to see it. I I wasn't able to go to the rooftop of this building, but I got the next best thing, which is the solarium, and I really like it in here. Look at the lights, it's really pretty. And those chairs, and the views are so beautiful. You can see the water. So you can see a lot of the water out there. And the buildings around. It's just a great city and skyline view. I wonder if you can see the Space Needle. Let's look for it. I don't think you can see the Space Needle from this. Can you? No, the Space Needle is nowhere to be found. So this is the solarium, and I'm really liking it.